This is what has been sent out to tenants to give to their landlords, but their landlords are actually giving it to the tenants. And from what I was told by my landlord, our property management company, that this document, the state is paying, they're actually applying for funding from the state based on your signature on this document. They put attached the amount that's owed, and then they receive a grant to pay 80% of what's owed, and the other 20% where I stay, they're paying the other 20% based on an additional grant that's been given to them separate from this. This is for the tenants, and there's one separate for the landlords themselves only. Now, I don't know what other property management are doing with that extra 20%, but I'm going to find out what the law is, what the requirements are. Because what I have now is a complaint for someone that's very confused. She's young. She has 2 children. Her roommate that was on the lease with her left 6 months ago. She was able to keep the place on her own. Same document. I can't blow it up. It's the exact same, but they cut off the top part. They cut off the top that says Oregon Landlord Compensation Fund. So people are getting these. They think the apartment complex is doing them a favor, when in fact, it's a program. It's been passed, signed off by Biden, and the funds are now being released. She received a notice to move. She was given a notice. Now, this notice states that she can continue with the lease if she pay off the back due balance, and then pay $250 to remove the other girl off the lease, or prove that she has a job and go month to month or move out. And this is what she was told. My lease is up April 30th. They told me my only 2 options are to move forward with going month to month, is I pay the past due balance and provide proof of employment, or move out. She signed a paper stating that they'd move out April 30th. She informed them that she doesn't live there. That was the other girl on the lease. Now, to remove the lease, it states that she has to pay $250 to remove herself and the back balance completely in order to continue with the lease, or go to month proof she has a job. Now, is this set up strictly for the landlord that's blindsiding the people? Or is it set up for a balance of both? The money to compensation to pay the tenants past due so the tenants don't have to move. That's what, to me, eviction protection would be. So, my question is, what is eviction protection, Senator? What does it really mean? Clarify before people get evicted still. This is what I'm talking about, how the government works with corporate America with their wrongdoings. Because no one is keeping track and making sure they do their damn jobs properly. You're either for the people or you don't give a fuck about us. That's all I got to say about that. And this kid, 25 years old, 2 children, doing really well. She was hit by a car on her way to work. Not in a car accident, but hit by a vehicle. She attempted to continue to work, but she could not. She was on a leg brace therapy, so she was laid off. She went back, and there's no position for her. Now, normally she does CNA work, but stand up on her legs, she's not sure if she can handle it, but she is going for another position, another job, but this is not working right. This doesn't even sound right.